What? Another Amazon? What?
What?
Another Amazon haul?
What?
Ooh, what's that? It's a combination lock.
No, it's a back to school thing.
You got a combination lock on it though.
Where?
Turn it over.
Okay. Yeah.
That's because you're gonna put a laptop in there.
Yeah.
Laptop bag with combination lock.
If I want to use it,
Very coolness.
This combination lock is so securely on
Wrapped that you don't have to worry about anything.
This is the Primo nice backpack for laptops and everything. It's even a traveling one, like so you can put it on your luggage bag.
I think that's why the lock. They like duct tape. I mean packing tape.
In this case, they do. You have to use just brute strength to get it
That's
off.
fascinating.
Good thing I am strong. There's something else in there too special. Okay, so
But
this is the Primo backpack.
what's this cost?
I think it was 40 something, 50.
It's not bad.
But
Oh
look,
my
it has
God.
all this space here.
This thing's padded.
Yep, it's padded. It's
Nice.
got pads on the back.
It's
when you wear
lightweight.
it.
Yeah.
It's got a front strap. So a lot of times I feel like feels good to have a front strap.
Oh, right. So, like, if you're going to a museum or something, you can wear it
So
on the
it
front.
has also a bag in the front here
For what?
for stuff, a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And
There's
a
something
bag in the
special about
back.
this one,
And
though.
this is something special right here. Look there.
So, your sunglasses holder.
Sunglass holder place. You can put your sunglasses right in there, and they're not going to get busted.
That's awesome. Mine get all mangled when I
yeah.
throw them in mine.
So you can.
What's this
totally-
for? I always wonder what that was for.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what that's for. That's just the thing designed, and then you can stick stuff in here. I
Oh,
guess,
okay.
And,
This is cool. I
Cup
like the
holder.
color, too.
cup holders, of course,
Yeah.
and another holder here.
Water
if
bottle
You want
holder.
to Oh yeah. So if you have a battery pack,
Battery.
and you want to put a battery pack in your thing.
Oh,
you
it
can
came with,
charge-
like, it came with a
charging
cord.
port. Yeah, so if you put a battery pack
Oh,
here,
cool.
you can plug another USB to the outside.
Very cool.
So
So you could leave the battery in there while you, like, use your laptop.
yeah, or you can charge your
Charge
phone.
your laptop.
Charge your phone.
Cool.
This. But the battery pack is not included.
All right.
So that's pretty cool on that side. And then what else is in this bag you're gonna love? From back in the olden days, they don't make these anymore. Sorry, I gotta get this knocked out. Okay, so they don't make this anymore. I ordered these online, and these are the new version of the Lifesaver Lollipop.
Oh, I remember lightsaber lollipops.
So they don't make them anymore like they used to.
So these are vintage.
Yeah, but there's no hole.
Oh, because people
They
used to
don't-
choke and die on those things.
Is that why?
No, I'm just wondering
know.
why.
Well-
Why would they change it?
I don't know, because I love those things. Because we used to have contests who could lick them until they got the smallest, thinnest, total circle.
Nice. Like
But-
that's kind of like Squid Game.
So these are the same, but without a hole.
I like the Charms Big Pops. They
Yeah.
were cool.
So anyways, I wanted these, so I got them.